The key numbers are holding steady. Nearly 1,800 coronavirus deaths in Maryland, but the number of people hospitalized is dropping. Hello, everyone. I'm Vic Carter. In about an hour, the governor's stay-at-home order will be lifted, but local leaders are imposing their own restrictions. WJZ is live with extensive coverage. We begin with investigator Mike Helgren with the latest. Mike?
Vic, we just heard again from Baltimore City's mayor, who says the stay-at-home order will remain in effect. And the city's police commissioner says they will investigate all complaints and that officers will document them with body-worn cameras and consult with the city's law department before issuing citations. At 5 o'clock tonight, Baltimore City will remain under a stay-at-home order, even though the governor has given the city's mayor the power to lift it.
I absolutely want to be able to open churches and retail establishments, but the state has a responsibility in this too. Without more testing capacity, it will be irresponsible to begin the reopening process.
There will be limited curbside retail in Howard, Anne Arundel, and Baltimore counties.
As we continue to evaluate these metrics, that is a great opportunity as far as curbside for people to not only get what they need, but ensure that our businesses are able to slowly reopen our economy.
Retail will be open at the maximum allowed under the law in Harford, Carroll, and Cecil counties.
Today, I'm very happy to report that I have absolutely no plans for Cecil County to be more restrictive in our plans for reopening.
Hospitalizations are down by 42 patients, but deaths are up by 44, and total cases have risen by 1,083 in the past 24 hours. Maryland's General Assembly leadership wrote a letter to the governor demanding more information on testing. They wrote, without a robust testing, tracing, and isolation system in place, there is little doubt that any easing of restrictions will lead to additional COVID-19 cases. Protesters with Reopen Maryland, who have bashed the governor's restrictions as unconstitutional, calling him Lockdown Larry, gathered in Annapolis, angry that Hogan is allowing some communities to remain under a stay-at-home order. Now, in those jurisdictions where retailers can open, they must only stay at 50% capacity and have to follow social distancing. But most of the Baltimore area will remain closed. Reporting live, Mike Helgren, WJZ.